The small road and the quiet choice. Hello. This is a story. It is a simple story. The words are easy. The meaning is calm. This story is about choices. It is about small steps. It is about a quiet life. There was a young woman named Emma. Emma lived in a small village. The village was far from the city. There were fields, trees, and long roads. Life in the village was slow. People woke up early. People slept early. Emma lived with her grandmother. Her grandmother was old. She walked slowly. She spoke softly. Emma loved her grandmother very much. Their house was small. It was made of wood. It was not new, but it was warm. Every morning, Emma woke up when the sun came up. She heard birds outside. She felt the cool air. She got out of bed. She washed her face. She tied her hair. Then she went to the kitchen. Her grandmother was already awake. She was making tea. "Good morning," Emma said. "Good morning," her grandmother replied. They drank tea together. They did not talk much. Emma helped her grandmother every day. She cleaned the house. She cooked food. She went to the market. Emma did not go to the city. She did not work in an office. She stayed in the village. Many people asked her, "Why do you stay here?" Emma always smiled. "I like this place," she said. But inside, Emma sometimes felt unsure. She was young. She saw pictures of the city. She heard stories about fast life. Sometimes she asked herself, "Am I doing the right thing?" Emma liked learning. She liked reading simple books. One day, she found an old English book in the house. The book was very old. The pages were yellow. Her grandmother said, "It was your grandfather's book." Emma opened the book. She did not understand much. But she felt curious. From that day, Emma started learning English. She did not have a teacher. She did not have a computer. She only had the book. Every evening, she read one page. She read slowly. She read many times. She spoke the words out loud. She listened to herself. Sometimes she did not understand. Sometimes she felt tired. But she continued. Learning became her quiet habit. Days passed. Emma still went to the market every morning. She carried a basket. She walked on the small road. The road was long. It went through fields. She liked this road. She walked it every day. One morning, she saw a small boy on the road. The boy was sitting. He looked sad. Emma stopped. "Are you okay?" she asked. The boy shook his head. "My basket is broken," he said. "My apples fell." Emma looked at the apples on the ground. She helped him pick them up. She put them in her basket. "Where are you going?" she asked. "To the market," the boy said. "You can walk with me," Emma said. They walked together. At the market, Emma helped the boy sell the apples. The boy smiled. "Thank you," he said. Emma felt warm inside. She did not think much about it. She thought it was a small thing. But small things matter. Days later, Emma saw an old woman on the road. The woman walked very slowly. Emma walked beside her. They talked a little. The woman smiled and said, "You are kind." Emma felt shy. "I am just walking," she said. But kindness is often simple. At night, Emma read her English book. She learned new words. Road. Help. Slow. She liked these words. One evening, her grandmother was sick. She stayed in bed. She felt weak. Emma stayed with her. She cooked soup. She cleaned the house. She did not go to the market. She did not read English that night. She felt tired. She felt worried. Her grandmother held her hand. "You are doing well," she said. Emma felt tears in her eyes. Weeks passed. Her grandmother became better. Life returned to normal. But Emma felt different. She thought more. She listened more. One day, a letter came. It was from the city. A company wanted people to work. They needed young workers. Emma read the letter many times. This was a chance. The city was big. Life was fast. Money was good. Emma did not sleep well that night. She thought about the city. She thought about her grandmother. She thought about the small road. The next morning, she walked the road slowly. She watched the fields. She watched the sky. She remembered the boy. She remembered the old woman. She asked herself, "What do I want?" That evening, Emma talked to her grandmother. "I got a letter," Emma said. Her grandmother listened quietly. "You can go," her grandmother said. "You can stay. Both are okay." Emma was surprised. "You are free to choose," her grandmother said. Emma felt calm. That night, Emma opened her English book. She read a simple sentence. "Life is a journey." She smiled. The next day, Emma wrote a letter. She said thank you. She said no. She chose to stay. She did not feel sad. She felt light. Days passed. Emma continued her life. She helped people on the road. She helped in the village. She kept learning English. One day, a traveler came to the village. He spoke English. He looked lost. Emma felt nervous. But she tried. She spoke slowly. She used simple words. The traveler smiled. "You speak well," he said. Emma felt surprised. "I am learning," she said. They talked a little. After he left, Emma felt proud. She did not go to the city. But the world came to her. Years passed. Emma grew older. Her grandmother grew weaker. Emma took care of her every day. One quiet morning, her grandmother passed away. Emma felt deep sadness. She sat in the house alone. She felt empty. Days were silent. The road felt long. But Emma continued. She walked. She breathed. She lived. One day, Emma opened the English book again. She read slowly. She felt her grandmother close. Emma stayed in the village. She helped children learn. She helped travelers. She lived a quiet life. Not fast. Not loud. But full. Not all roads lead to the city. Not all good lives are fast. Small choices matter. Kindness matters. You do not need to hurry. You do not need to compare. A quiet road can take you far.